Let's change the transmission fluid on my FL5 Civic Type R. Your fill plug is located on the driver's side under the intake, and I'm going to do it without removing the intake and see if we can get a good angle. If you have an aftermarket intake like me, you might be able to access the bolt without moving the intake. Mine's a little bit of a pain in the ass to remove, but this one, we can actually access it without removing the intake. If you see down in there, there's that yellow paint, and then that is a 3/8 extension that you go in there to loosen that plug. All right, I am doing the best I can to get this shot, but I am able, behind my intake, boom. Now I'm in the fill plug, and you always want to crack the fill plug first. The internet will destroy you if you don't. Ugh, God damn, someone had that on there tight. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen it up just to the point where it's sitting there on top of the transmission. I'm going to slowly pull my socket out and let it sit there. And now I have a flexible magnet that I can fish on down there and pick up the fill plug. Just like that. Oh, look at that. Whoever did this before me did not put a crush washer on it. I bought this car used with like 35,000 miles. This is the first time doing the fluid. And no, I didn't hear anything drop, and it's not currently sitting on top of the transmission. I can see in there.
The drain plug is right here on the driver's side. As you can see, it's not too far from the rear transmission/motor mount. Same as the fill plug, it's a 3/8 extension. Give it a crack. It's been draining for a few minutes. We can put the drain plug back on with a fresh crush washer. And the torque is the same for the fill plug, which is 32 foot-pounds. Now, shout out to Ben from Point by Patrol. There is this 10mm bolt on the side of the transmission, and when you have it full, it will start pissing out of this bolt hole.
As you can see, I have a long hose to a funnel that I'm going to fish down there into the transmission fill plug. And yes, the car is currently jacked up and level right now. Okay, there we go. We are in the fill plug. Now, I'm going to be using the Motul 75W90 Gear 300, 100% synthetic. I like this stuff. I've used it in my Evo, my Subaru, all of my autocross and track cars. I have used this Motul, and I really like it. You can use whatever you choose or please. So it takes roughly 2.17 liters or 2.3 quarts. But we'll know once I start hearing it piss out of that little plug on the side of the transmission. Okay, there we go. As you can see, the fluid is starting to piss out. Just slightly over 2 quarts and some change. I'm gonna let it drip down just a little bit. I'm gonna do the best I can to not get super messy doing this. Ooh, nice. I didn't get fluid everywhere. Beautiful. And then I'm just gonna give a little snug on this 10 mil. Boom. Okay, back up top, we can now put the fill plug back in. We'll take out the funnel and the line, kind of give it a little shake. Okay, I got a fresh crush washer on there, and I added a little bit of grease on between the head side and this side of the crush washer so it doesn't fall as I'm putting it in there. I got my flexi magnet again. I can work it on down in there. Okay, I'm lined up. Now what I need to do is take the extension and touch it to it so it stays down there as I pull the magnet off. There we go. A wobble would probably, you know what, I might go get a wobble. Oh, there we go, I got it. But a wobble on the other end would probably help you line it up just a little bit better to clear this angle around the intake. But it's going in now. And we're gonna torque it to 32 foot-pounds. Torque it. Bam. Now you have successfully changed your transmission fluid without removing the intake. A little bit lazy on my part, yeah, but if I was on stock airbox 100%, I would just pull the stock airbox out. But this PRL one is kind of got a duct from the bottom that needs to line up. It's got 2 bolts. You have to undo the filter. It's just a little bit more of a pain in the ass, and this way worked. It might work for you too, but if not, follow the same steps and just remove your intake. Stay boosted. Peace out.